Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will be addressing a common issue with the MacBook A1502, a CPU short circuit. This problem can render your laptop unusable, so let's dive into the troubleshooting and repair process step by step. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a suction cup, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely disassemble your MacBook without causing any damage. Now, let's begin. Start by powering off your MacBook completely and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, use the P5 pentalobe screwdriver to remove the 10 screws from the bottom case of the MacBook. Remember to keep these screws organized. You can use a magnetic mat or small containers. Once the screws are removed, use the suction cup to gently lift the bottom case. If you encounter resistance, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry it open. Be cautious as there are internal components that can be easily damaged. With the bottom case removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside. This ensures better airflow and can prevent future overheating issues. Now, locate the logic board. To remove it, you will need to take out several screws with your T5 Torx screwdriver. Remember, the placement of the screws is important, so take notes or pictures as you go along. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the battery and any cables attached to the logic board. This is a critical step, especially if you suspect a CPU short circuit. If you don't have the tools or expertise to do this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you have access to a multimeter, you can now test the CPU for continuity. This will help you confirm whether there is indeed a short circuit. If you find that the CPU is damaged, replacing it will require further steps, including desoldering. At this point, if the repair seems daunting or if you're unsure about the next steps, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. No calls, no travel necessary. If you decide to go ahead with the repair, carefully replace the logic board with a new or refurbished one, ensuring all connections are secure. Remember to double-check each cable and connector. Finally, reassemble your MacBook by reversing the disassembly steps. Replace the bottom case and secure it with the P5 screws. Make sure everything is tight but avoid over-tightening. Before you power it back on, it's a good practice to run a final inspection. If all looks good, power on your device. If the issue persists, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs before committing to any service. This guide covers the basic steps for addressing a CPU short circuit in the MacBook A1502. Always proceed with caution and consider professional help if necessary. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.